My name is Matthew Maddox. I'd like to speak to you today about DWI and DWI laws in Connecticut. It's pretty common. In fact, just a couple of nights ago, I got a phone call about 3 in the morning from somebody who was charged with DWI. That person had a question about whether or not to submit to a blood alcohol test, what people commonly refer to as a breath test. It's a time of tremendous stress for my client, for the person who's calling me at 3 in the morning. Do I submit to a test? Do I not submit to a test? What are the consequences of that test? There is a very common misbelief and misinformation about that breath test. If this is the first time that you've been stopped for DWI, 99% of the time you should take that test. If you don't, because Connecticut is an implied consent advisory state, it means that if you don't take that test, your penalties, both for your license and potentially in the Superior Court, get worse. DWI defense is really some of the most complicated work that we do. It involves chemistry, it involves medicine, it involves oftentimes toxicology. It involves experts who may have to measure the calibration of the breath testing machine. The point of all this is that when you are faced with a DWI charge, you've got to make sure that you speak to a lawyer who has experience in defending DWI cases, and really, you want to talk to a lawyer who's tried DWI cases, not just somebody who can process papers, but somebody who's actually gone to trial and picked a jury and cross-examined police and cross-examined experts on all those complicated issues in a DWI case. And we are always available to assist people who are in that circumstance and need our help.